Hold on.
All right, so if we're going to set up this triangle, if these two coordinates are both positive, it's going to be in the first quadrant. And so this distance here is the x value, so this would be your 6, and you're going to connect to the x-axis and to the origin. So the y value is the height. And in order to figure out what r is equal to, remember theta is always going to be down here by the origin. So to find what r is equal to, Pythagorean theorem, so 6 squared plus 3 squared is equal to r squared. So 36 plus 9 is equal to r squared. 45 is equal to r squared, and then square root both sides, so you would get the square root of 45 is equal to r. And so then just find the simplified value of this, which would be 3 radical 5. And so this would be 3 radical 5. And now we just find each trig ratio. So if it's in the first quadrant, all of your trig ratios are going to be positive. So you've got sine, cosine, and tangent. And then you're also going to do the reciprocal identities, so cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Okay, so sine, if this is our tangent, remember it's y over r. So this would be 3 over 3 radical 5. Those 3's are going to cancel each other out, so really this is going to be 1 over radical 5. Cosine is going to be x over r, so 6 over 3 radical 5, and that's going to reduce down to 2 over radical 5. And then tangent is the y over the x, so 3 over 6, which reduces down to 1/2. So now these are all just the reciprocals of these, so we just flip them. So this would be radical 5 over 1, or just radical 5. This would be radical 5 over 2. And this would be 2 over 1, or just 2.